Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 high CPM YouTube cash cow channels. If you're looking to get inspired and find out what it takes to make serious money on YouTube, then stay tuned. Coming in at number 5, we have Mr. Beast. With over 70 million subscribers, Mr. Beast is one of the most popular YouTubers out there, and his videos are always entertaining and engaging. He's known for his crazy stunts, giveaways, and philanthropic efforts, and his CPM rate is estimated to be around $8.10, which means he earns up to $8,100 for every million views. Next up at number 4, we have Jake Paul. While he's a controversial figure in the YouTube community, there's no denying that Jake Paul is a cash cow channel. With over 20 million subscribers, his CPM rate is estimated to be around $8.20, which means he can earn up to $8,200 for every million views. At number 3, we have Zoella, a British beauty and lifestyle YouTuber with over 11 million subscribers. Zoella's videos are popular for their relatable content and easy-to-follow tutorials. Her CPM rate is estimated to be around $9.80, which means she can earn up to $9,800 for every million views. At number 2, we have Shane Dawson, a longtime YouTube veteran with over 23 million subscribers. Shane's videos are known for their humor and unique storytelling style. His CPM rate is estimated to be around $10, which means he can earn up to $10,000 for every million views. And finally, at number 1, we have Rhett and Link, the comedic duo behind the wildly popular Good Mythical Morning channel. With over 17 million subscribers, their CPM rate is estimated to be around $12.50, which means they can earn up to $12,500 for every million views. So there you have it, the top 5 high CPM YouTube cash cow channels. While it takes a lot of hard work and dedication to build a successful YouTube channel, these creators have shown that it's possible to make a significant income from your content. We hope this video has given you some inspiration and motivation to take your own YouTube channel to the next level. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.